So this is my 2004 Polaris Predator 500 that I'm going to be fixing up. I already did a bunch of motor work to it to get it running, and I'm just gonna fix up the rest of it. So it needs axle bearings. You can see that side's leaking. Axle has a lot of play. And then in the front here, needs tie rods. You can see how bad they are. You can see over here. Yep, they're done. And then the shocks. This one, I believe, is completely blown, and the upper bushing is just gone. Same with the control arms. Those bushings are really bad. And as well as the ball joints. So I'm just gonna be replacing everything in the front. And then same in the rear, because this thing was beat on. I bought it blown up, and just like this. And why not just fix it up? And also, I forgot to mention the plastics. This front hood piece is really rock chipped, and it's even cracked right there. And then some of the tabs are missing on it, so it's just like really loose and barely on there. And then the front plastic it looks like it's in pretty good shape as far as not being cracked, but the paint is really rough. And you can just see where it's gone. Let's see if I can get this off, actually. And then, like, right around the headlights, it's just really bad. And then, it's just really dusty right now, too. So, we're gonna try and fix that up. Also, the tabs for it are, like, broken. So it doesn't sit on there right. It's only got one bolt holding it on right now. So it's like not even sitting there. And the seat, it's a little cracked up, a little rough, but it'll do. And then the rear plastic, which it clearly has been painted before. Looking at that. And then it's even just chipped away right there and cracked. And same with right there. Those were the only two major cracks I saw on this piece. So we're gonna try and get that repaired. And then these side panels, the tabs are really bad. Like, what one was it? Up here, where they screw on, they're all busted. So I'm gonna try and get like a back put back on them so that it's a hole again instead of just like a slide. And then must have been touching the exhaust before, so it burned a hole right through it. So I'm gonna try and get the plastics repaired if possible, and then paint it up, give it a nice new paint job, because it's looking pretty rough, as you can see. Pretty chipped up. Give it a makeover, as one would call it.